Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can have a pet and grow a garden. So I'm going to go to the other side of the seeds and sell shop, and you'll see there are some pet eggs. There's this common egg. You can get a golden lab, a dog, or a bunny. For the uncommon egg, you can get a black bunny, a chicken, cat, or deer. To purchase, you're just going to select it. I'll just do the common egg. And then I'm just going to go back to my garden, go back to the common egg here. And you're just going to place it on your garden like so. And that is it. That is how you can get a pet and grow a garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.